Good morning. Today we're headed to Murfreesboro, Tennessee for the 20th anniversary of the Special Kids Therapy and Nursing Center. Big celebration going on. They've been around there for 20 years, and a big group of my Ford friends, well, we're going to put on a car show for the kids. It ought to be a lot of fun, and I will share some of the stuff that happens along the way. First order of business is definitely to take it through a touchless car wash.
For your safe driving. Starting normal recording.
I don't want to be behind these cows much. Probably going to be some rocks in there. Grab some energy drinks so I can stay alert all day.
I don't know how to touch it. Will it bite me?
That was my first time.
It has.
Now we're in the top 10. Number 10, Paul Schonenfield, 68 Mustang.
Yeah!
Number 9, Todd Posey.
Todd, no. Hey.
Up next, Tessa Duncan.
Tessa.
Green McQueen. Aunt Tessa, Mr. Thomas Duncan.
Nice.
Next we have Mary Braveham.
Mary.
And Terry Ridgely, 65 Mustang. Down to number 4. Yep. Number 4, Brody, and you're 65. Number 3, Samika. Number 2, Ann Jenkins in the Hyundai.
And this was the kids' choice.
And kids' choice, number 1, Dan Thomas and Cookie Monster. Guys, thanks everybody for coming out. You know, it's a great cause. It goes for the special needs kids, and thanks everybody for braving the rain.